Five Below is a retailer in the United States that used to specialize in products that were $5 and below. Now, Five Below, similar to Dollar Tree, has a name that does not actually fit the price points. Like Dollar Tree, however, Five Below has been able to improve the quality of a lot of their products by charging more. Some stores have a section in the back of it that I believe is called Five Beyond, where you can find things up to $20, $30, just depending on what it is. They still have the old school line of numerous graphic t-shirts, plenty of footwear, flip-flops, house shoes, slides, water shoes. For camping gear, all kinds of water bottles for outdoor games, all kinds of different balls. They have different kind of crafting things where you can paint or you can journal, you can color pages, all different kinds of things. Plenty of card games to choose from here for those rainy days at the campsite. And there's books if you're into reading. Five Below has some middle-of-the-line products when it comes to speakers and things like that. However, that $8 speaker that we got was pretty good for $8. If you know anybody that drives a Jeep, you could get them that little duck speaker. Five Below is great for snacks. This is the only place I can find the most stuffed Oreos right now, but they have a few rows of different kinds of snacks, stuff from other countries, special novelty things, just about anything for anybody. So it's definitely worth checking out the snack section because it wouldn't be hard to fill up your camping sack with a bunch of junk food to appease everyone at the campsite. Who wouldn't love a gigantic gummy pop? Drinks, waters, they have all kinds of things in the store. Definitely worth checking out. If you've been to Five Below, let us know. What do you think about it? Drop us a note in the comments.